We have an old beagle, and I think it's getting a little bit hard for him to reach down and eat his food. So this is a quick little design I drew up in Inkscape, and it only has 3 parts. These are the sides, and this will be the top with the cutouts for the bowl. And the way these will work is the top will sit through here, and these will be glued on to the sides, probably with a support or two. This was an easy design, quickly put together in Inkscape, and the paw prints were just snagged online, turned into a bitmap trace in Inkscape. Once this was drawn up in Inkscape, I saved the files and moved them over to Carbide Create for the toolpaths. Real simple, these are the 2 sides, and we've got our toolpaths here. One of the cool things about this program is if you just hover over one of the toolpaths, you can see which one that relates to. These are pockets, and you can also tell here this is an indent, so this is a pocket over there, and then these are not pockets here. So this is just a scrolly design. We've got our text that I actually drew up in Carbide Create. And if we go down to simulation, we can see what this looks like. And these are very shallow cuts. Don't need to make that too deep. So we've saved these G-code files, and we'll run them over to Mock and set up the board to cut. For the little dog food station, I picked up a piece of wood from Lowe's. This is 16 inches by 36 inches. And I'll cut this up into 2 pieces to put it on the CNC bed. And there's the top piece before we take it out and cut off the tabs. Right after the cut and before some cleanup. This is after a quick sand and before finishing. Still need to glue the sides on. This is kind of just held together to see how it lines up. And that's the little project. Dog food station, pretty easy, designed in Inkscape. Toolpaths set up in Carbide Create, and I think that'll be a little bit easier for this old beagle. Thanks very much for taking a look.